Good morning. What day is it? 10, 11? Okay. Putting myself on blast by saying that I need to clean my room up. I haven't unpacked since Miami. It's snowing this morning. I'll show you guys more outside. But yeah, that's a little snow. It's so beautiful. I love snow. So much fun. Yeah, so gotta clean, gotta go to work. I probably shouldn't do those faces when I refer to my thumb, but whatever. Here, you guys get to see me make my bed.
Just be my lover, 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 just be my lover.
Unfortunately, the snow has all disappeared. What can you do? What are you doing?
Good morning, afternoon, everyone. I am in a lot more pain, so I think I'm going to pack today, maybe leave tomorrow or tonight if I get done by tonight. But I have been resting and being lazy, so I haven't showered yet. But my sister brought home this volumizing dry shampoo foam. And since I haven't washed my hair yet, I thought if it doesn't go well, I'll just wash it in the shower. So let's see how this goes. Okay. Shake and work a palm full of product in your hair. Apply on roots and throughout hair. Wow. Talking is becoming a problem. Let's do this. Okay, so I have combed through it. I mean, it's supposed to be a volumizing dry shampoo, and I just feel like it is not the product for me. My hair is doing all sorts of weird things, and it's just still wet, and like now it feels even like greasier. So I'm gonna wash my hair.
Hello, YouTube. I just wanted to quickly come on because today's vlog is real short. Real short. I was at work. Baldeep is ill, which is not good because we have a trip planned in T-minus 2 days, and boy, we have so many activities, so much to do, so little time. We don't have time for her to be sick. Everyone pray for her. I do feel a little bad by how short this vlog is, but I'll make it up to you guys tomorrow. I'll show you guys my skincare, my morning skincare routine tomorrow morning. Yeah, that sounds good, right? That's exciting. Something to look forward to. So yeah, just a lone Kiran saying goodbye today.